You're looking at it, if it goes to the right of the curb, then you'd be hitting the curb. Okay, we'll take off.
Okay, so straighten this in the direction I want to go.
Yep. There's a couple of rocks over here too to protect the house. At the traffic lights, we're going to turn left. My dad, he'd get really impatient there. He would push the button. Or he'd move forward. Or he thought that, you know, as you're driving down, let's say LaSalle, and you notice that your light is red, my dad would flash his lights really fast, thinking that he could change the lights to green. He got that because he found out that the ambulances have a strobe light, and they pulse a certain frequency, at a certain frequency that's calibrated with sensors on the lights, and it changes the lights to green for them. Go ahead and make your lane change.
Oh yeah.
And be prepared here. We're going to turn right down this street.
Okay.
But the frequency is like a certain very specific frequency of pulsation, so it changes the lights for the ambulances. But my dad, it didn't work. I'm gonna make a right turn. Sometimes the light would turn green when you did that. It was like, there, you see. So it's just coincidence then. At the yield sign, we're gonna make a right turn. And then a right turn at the traffic light.